week. I got focus. My chicken. Yes, my chicken breast, boneless, skinless. Then I'm gonna have yellow rice. And with that, also making broccoli. Florets. Gotta have the florets. I don't like that. Broccoli cuts or whatever they want to call it. I don't like those. Some hard pieces. They're nasty. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add my rice, my yellow rice. So for my meal prep, a co-worker of mine got me these things, and yes, I still have them, I still use them. Thank you, girl. So this, the rice goes in here. These are your carbs. This little thing right here, carbs. Then these are your veggies, which is bigger than the carbs, of course, because you're supposed to eat more veggies. That's that. And then our proteins, which is the meat, which is smaller than the carbs and the veggies. So I don't know how many pieces are going to fit in here, but however many fit in here, that's how much I'm supposed to eat. And then I have my little containers. Yay! So I washed 5, which is going to be for my work week, and then I used this little pack, a 5-ounce pack of rice, which, if my calculations are right, is going to be exactly enough for 5 containers. Or I may have a little left over. I'm not sure, but we shall see. I put my rice in the back. And chicken is done. So I'm just gonna put this on 3. Because now I'm going to steam my broccoli. Okay, now put in my broccoli, and put a little butter in there, no seasoning, just a little butter, and then that's it. So I'll get back to you guys once I do the chicken the other way, y'all. Like I said, my proteins, this is all the chicken that went into this little cup. So I have my container. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it. Boom. That's it. That's how that goes. And this is gonna be for all 5 containers. Do not overcook your broccoli if you're doing meal prep for a whole week, because who wants to warm that up and have soggy broccoli? So now this is the rest of the chicken after I put chicken in 3 using that. Trust me, I stuffed it. So next, this chicken is going to be barbecue. Then we have the yellow rice still back there. So this broccoli, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Okay. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pour this barbecue sauce in here. and let's do it slowly. Okay, so that's that. Go ahead and get these coated. Okay, so now I see I'll have to put more, which I'm going to. And yes, I'm holding my phone because right now we just moved and trying to deal with this tripod right now. Plus I just got off of work. Not my style right now. But video must get done, so here we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a little bit more barbecue sauce. So I'll get back to you guys with the finished product. Okay, so I miscalculated. It only filled 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one, I need a carb. So I'm just gonna make a little bit of mashed potatoes and some cauliflower. And that would conclude my meal prep. Yep. So don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, and subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Also, check out Baby Girl's channel. It will be in the description box below. So make sure you guys go and subscribe to her channel, or if you have kids that need something to watch on YouTube, you can have them watch her. She's funny. Boy, she's funny. But with that being said, you guys, we're gonna end this video. So see you all in the next one. Bye.